So I have about, I'd say 500 miles on my S&B filter. It's a synthetic media, and part of the reasons why I bought it is because these are much easier to clean than foam. And it's been really dusty and dry in the Black Hills. We had plenty of fire warnings. This is the fine dust I have on the inside of my air filter housing, and as you can see, the filtered portion is pretty clean. But I wanted to just do a quick rinse of my air filter, not a full cleaning, just a quick rinse to remove the fine dust. And what I've done is I've taken a cup and plugged this end, and then I took a 2-liter bottle to plug the top, and then I'm using light pressure on my hose just to rinse it off. And one thing I noticed is that no water is getting inside. So I would expect water to permeate this and get inside, and it's not. So the other reason for plugging this is if I decide to dunk this in a bucket of water to clean it, none of the dirt gets inside the filter. I've asked S&B to make plugs, so guys that want to do the immersion type cleaning can do that. But it's really impressive that I'm sure water tension plays a part here in why it's not penetrating. But, you know, being able to wash this like this, shake it out and maybe take a blower to it on low speed to dry it out. I mean, I can return this to service in 10 to 15 minutes without spending an hour cleaning it. And I'd rather do this every couple hundred miles and maintain peak airflow than to go through the rigmarole of cleaning foam. Pretty impressed with the S&B filter so far. Once again, guys, this is not paper, and this proves it. This is synthetic media.